Learned a new skill today. We learned how to blow up our tires with this new tire pressure machine that I got off in Amazon. It was really cool. I really like it. It's got a lot of nice features on it, including a light if you ever have to do this in the dark. So today I'm testing out the EP Auto. It's an air compressor pump to inflate your tires. It has a digital readout, which I really like. It comes with a bag and it's portable. And you just plug it into the 12V DC volt where your cigarette lighter in of the plug, and it comes with all kinds of little attachments. You can also inflate your bike and other vehicles besides a Tesla. Really enjoy this. It was easy to use, which I like, and has a nice setting there that you can preset it, and it inflates it a little bit more, so when you unscrew it, you don't lose air pressure and you're at the right level. So it also has a light, as you can see here, that you can inflate your tires at night, and that's a big benefit, I think, if you're on the road. And the instructions that it included were really, really easy to read. So let's go try it out. I got it on Amazon. I'll leave a link to this down in the description under this video, so if you're interested in it. It has tire pressure thing, and it goes in a Tesla, and you can set the PSI. Let me show you. You can set the PSI here, and when you're ready to blow it up, you just turn it on here, and then you turn it off so you can go do the next one. And inside the car, you plug it in here, and this runs on the volt there, and then it has a nice little light on the outside of it. So it's really cool, and you can always, if you're not sure how it works, you can call the service. They put it there, and they have a nice digital reader for people like me who can't see too good. So we're going to set the PSI for 42, and then you just turn it on. There it goes, it turned itself off. So after you take off the valve, you just put the cap back on, just make sure it's just a little bit tight there so you don't lose any air, and you should be good to go. Okay, so after you blow up the tires, you kind of want to check the tire pressure. It might not be coming up right now because we hadn't drove, but in order to do that, you just kind of swipe here. It'd be nice to show you what it is when you're just parked, but we'll check it later. So I was able to blow up all 4 tires in just a few minutes. It's very convenient. The tire pressure inflator comes with its own little nice bag, so you can just wrap up all the cores, put it in the bag, and toss it in the trunk. Very nice. If the gentleman can do it, ladies, you can do this too. Really awesome. So I really like this product. Got it on Amazon. So I'll leave the link down in the description. So if anybody's interested in this, it works really well with a Tesla. A new skill today. We learned how to blow up our tires with this new tire pressure machine that I got off in Amazon. It was really cool. I really like it. It's got a lot of nice features on it, including a light if you ever have to do this in the dark. So I'm going to do a couple more of accessory things for the Tesla, and this tire pressure machine can work on any vehicle as long as you can plug it into the cigarette lighter and you're ready to go. So if the gentleman can do it, ladies, you can do it too. I was able to blow up all 4 tires in just a few minutes. If you need to know what your tire PSI needs to be, it's usually a sticker on the inside of the door on the driver's side. That's where mine was, so you can check it there. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when my next video is up. So see you on our next adventure. See you then. Bye.